Well, hello, everybody. How are you? This is Color and Chat with Joanna. I'm Joanna, and I wanted to show you our Rain Keeps Falling. She is finished, and she is stunning. The colors are so rich and so beautiful, and I'm going to put a screening of her. I wish I had one thing to complain about, but I don't. If you want to look right down here, we did special drills in here. We did some right in the confetti and around the butterfly's wings. And she's just beautiful. The new drills, oh please. I would have finished her a few days ago, but I did have to order additional drills. I ran out. And Diamond Art Club was as wonderful as they always are to grant them to me and get them in the mail to me. But I wanted you to see the movement and the sparkle in her. And tomorrow she's going to hang out tonight and relax and let all of the that was a little loosey-goosey there. Let the canvas rest. I always try to let it rest for a night before I before I mat and frame them, because it is a fabric and it needs time. And I had no gapping, I had no trash, I had no issues. I thoroughly enjoyed. All in all, I guess I worked on her about an hour and a half a day. She took me about 8 days. There's not one white drill on this entire painting. I don't think the rendering of this painting even does it justice. I mean, look at these beautiful purples and dark fuchsias, and then we have these beautiful embers. These are all ABs in here. They have a lot. I mean, it's beautiful. Drop me a line and tell me what you think of her, and I'll see you in my next video. Getting ready now. We're in that 5-day window, but I just love her. I love the shadowing around her face. Her eyebrows are beautiful. Her makeup. I mean, if you can see this in the light, it takes on a whole different color palette. So we are going to get her matted and framed tomorrow. And thank you for taking the journey with me, and let me know what you think. Drop me a comment. I love you guys. You're important to me, so please try to be important to you. Try to stay out of the heat. It is so hot. My car, and it was running. This was not my car when it was just warming up or just cooling off. It was 120 degrees today. So, yeah, this heat is deadly. I can't wait to get away from it. But anyway, I'll talk to you soon. I love you guys. Bye.